Hello children, welcome back to our English Mulberry class. I welcome all the students of class 1 to my class. I am Sneha and today we are going to study poem Moon and Stars. Let's start reading a poem. The name of the poem is Moon and Stars. Let us read a poem about a child who sees the moon and stars every night from his window. The poem begins from here. Moon and stars, moon and stars, moon and stars, moon and stars, shining up on high. When I go to bed at night, I see you in the sky. Moon and stars, moon and stars, tell me what is wrong. When I wake at the break of day, all of you are gone. Children, in this poem, we are going to study about a child who sees the moon and stars every night from his window. As you can see on the screen, a child is sitting on his window and looking up at the sky. You can see the child is going to sleep and he is looking at the moon and stars. So this child is wondering that when he goes to bed at night, what do you mean by go to bed? The meaning of go to bed is when we go to sleep. We generally say go to bed, which means go to sleep. So here the child is saying to the moon and stars that he is addressing the moon and stars and asking them, moon and stars, shining up on high. Shining up on high, what is the meaning of shining up on high? The meaning of shining up on high is that the moon and stars are shining brightly high up in the sky because the moon and stars are very far away from us, so they are shining up on high. Then he says, when I go to bed at night, he says, when I am going to sleep at night, I see you in the sky. I can see you up in the sky. All of you might be knowing, when you go to sleep at night, then you can see the moon and stars high up in the sky. The same is the case with the child. He is addressing the moon and stars and talking to them that when he is going to sleep at night, the moon and stars, he is addressing the moon and stars and asking them, when I am going to sleep at night, I can see you high up in the sky. Then in the next paragraph, he says, moon and stars, tell me what is wrong. When I wake at the break of day, all of you are gone. Then he again talks to the moon and stars and asks that what is wrong that when I wake at the break of day, all of you are gone. Break of day, the meaning of break of day is early morning. When do you wake up? Yes, all of us wake up in the early morning. So the child is saying, when I wake up in the early morning, all of you are gone. Who are all of you? The moon and stars. The child says that moon and stars, what is this? When I go to sleep, then you are high up in the sky. But when I wake up early in the morning, all of you are gone. All of you are vanished. So this is the concern of the child, that when he goes to sleep, he can see the moon and stars. But when he wakes up in the morning, he is not able to see any of them, and all of them are gone. So this is a poem about a child who sees the moon and stars every night from his window, and he is wondering that when he goes to sleep at night, he can see the moon and stars high up in the sky. But what is wrong? How does this happen that when he wakes up in the morning, the moon and stars are gone? So we will read the poem once again. Children, you can repeat after me. Moon and stars, shining up on high. When I go to bed at night, I see you in the sky. Moon and stars, tell me what is wrong. When I wake at the break of day, all of you are gone. So children, read the poem again and again. The meaning of the break of day is early morning. Your homework is read the poem and do it in your copies.